Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. I really want to shoot this video very quickly, so I just want to get through it because I need to go to work as usual. Anyway, I wanted to film for you guys a review of the Double D's Kenya bras because I got some 2 new ones from them the other day. So just to give you guys an idea of the fit and the brand itself and what I think about it, basically. Please note, all my opinions are honest. If I don't like something, I will let you guys know. If I like it, I will let you guys know. So let's get into it. So as you guys may know, that I have I'm busty. I keep talking about that on my social media lately just because there are so many struggles we have as busty women. And I was just like, wow guys. And then also, I need new bras because such a struggle finding new bras, trying to find like the right fit, something that actually fits your boob. Like it's having a big bust is just, it's tough, it's very tough. But thankfully we have Kenyan brands like Double D's who cater for people like me, for plus size, for bigger busts. I just want to thank God for them because they are just amazing people, because I finally found a bra that actually fits, like something that actually caps my entire boob, which is so amazing because it's been very long since I had that, like very long. So anyway, I'm gonna be reviewing this bra that they sent me the other week, and it is so nice. It is so nice. I love that. Look at the color. What, I've always been like a person who likes just black bras because of the struggle of finding nice ones, and also because I like wearing light colored tops, white, pinks and everything. So I figured, you know what, you don't care, so long as the bra fits, you guys will see my bra anyway. So yeah, so this is a bra. I know it's huge. I've got big boobs, but yeah, so that's the way it looks. It has a really nice detail here at the front, and which is so sexy, like it's very subtle sexy, which I really like. And then the band at the back is quite thick, but it's really good, especially if you have busts like me. It's really nice, like, because it holds you really well at the back, because sometimes, you know, you get back aches from having big boobs. Like, it's a struggle, it's such a struggle. But this is a thick band, so the support is even way better. You don't get uncomfortable, and the bra doesn't like go up your back, you know what I mean? So this is a bra I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm actually wearing theirs right now also. Just the exact same bra, but different color because I loved it. This is the one I bought when I went there for a fitting. And then this is what they sent me because they allowed me to pick what I wanted. So I picked the same one because it fit really well and I loved it. So, okay, before I get into the actual bra itself, let's talk about Double D's. Now, I first discovered Double D's at an event about like 3 years ago that I was speaking at, which was called, was it the Plus Size Affair? And they found me and they were like, oh my god, Anita, you're like the perfect person for our brand, blah blah blah. Like, we really talked, and they were like, please come, we're opening a store very soon, like you should come check us out because we're going to be carrying bras for larger busts. And I was like, because even on that day, like, they could actually tell that I was wearing the wrong bra size. So it's very sad, but it's such a struggle because even like when I fly out, I never find bras that actually fit me. And then sometimes some brands don't carry like larger ranges, like a wider range of bras for people that need bigger bras, like bigger cup sizes. Some people only go up to cup F, and I'm bigger than a cup F, so we'll get into that anyway. But yeah, so I was really happy about Double D's, and it was such a godsend because I was able to find things that fit. So I'll give you guys a bit more of the backstory. So I didn't actually work with, or not work with, but go visit Double D's until like the following year, 2016, when I needed new bra again. So I went with a friend then, or like my boyfriend then, I think. So we got a bra, I got fitted, got a bra that was really old. I don't know if I still have it, but if I remember it, I'll take a picture and insert it somewhere here. So I bought a bra, I got fitted, and that time I think I was like an E cup, and the bra was like, it didn't have padding, it was just a printed bra, like animal print bra, which was really nice. And then I think I was like a 38E, so I got fitted. So, which, by the way, please note, they give free bra fittings, like measurements, so you can know your cup size before you buy, obviously. And then Yeah, so I bought that one bra then, and then I've never really gone back because I'm such a procrastinator. Then I was like, oh, maybe if I travel, I'll find the right bra, and I traveled and didn't find the right bra. And then 2017 just passed like that. So I didn't actually get proper bras. And then sometimes, because of the struggle, and not obviously because of your budget and everything, you don't actually buy, like, I usually go look for, I've actually bought second-hand bras. It's not a bad thing, but sometimes I just felt like I would get more value for my money, although the bras, to be honest, did not fit 100%. Actually, I'm going to show you that bra. The bra is right here. So I can't even remember the size of this because it's faded and this bra is old. It's so old. Yeah, it's faded off, but it's actually it's here. I think this shows that it's a D cup. I think it's a D cup. It didn't fit well anyway. I just was wearing it because I needed something to hold my boobs because full-time jobs require you to wear a bra if you have a bust like me. So then fast forward to this year, I told myself, you know what, I'm gonna save up, get a bit of cash, put some cash together and go get another fitting done. Then every Saturday I found myself procrastinating. I found myself having different plans. Then you're like, you don't go. Then you're like, ugh. So I went a few weeks ago and I was like, you know what, today I must go to Double D's, get fitted, and then I just need to know the proper cup size, my band size, everything. So I went on some random Saturday, like I was barely making it because they close at 5 p.m. So I was getting there at about 4:20 p.m. And I found them. So there was no one in the store, obviously, because it was about to close, but I found a lovely, lovely lady. So the attendant really was so nice to me. She helped me pick out bras and I told her my preferences, because for me, my preference of bras is, one, I like padded bras just because I feel like when you wear t-shirts and everything and shirts, they're smooth, like, so they don't show anything. And then number two, I like them padded, I like them underwire, and I like them just not to dig in, not the straps not to dig into my skin. So, and also like dark colors, but I was willing to try other colors just because I know finding neutral colors like black, white, or beige would be, you know, not so easy to find. So so when I went in, I tried many bras, and eventually, like she measured me, obviously, so they give you a free fitting. So she measured me. She was like, okay, you look like you're this kind of size, so why don't we try around us, but other bras, other designs. So after fitting, I decided to, so she gave me lots and lots of bras. So she was like, after fitting, first of all, we discovered that my bra size is 36 G cup, and that's UK sizing. So given that in mind, she was like, okay, let's try around this size, because sometimes it's a bit hard, especially I feel like for the way I am on the top and the way I am on the bottom, like it's a bit weird. So she was like, I think either G, H cup or double F, so why don't we try around that range, but size 36. So she was like, why don't we try and then see what fits you. So eventually we tried a number of bras and then we came down to 36G, and then she found the one I'm wearing, which is so nice. I'm going to show you guys, like, this is how it looks. So nice. Look at the design. It's fantastic. So we tried, and then I eventually settled for this purple one, and then I got the matching underwear, which is it's my first pair of matching underwear. Don't ask me where I've been, but it's hard to find bras and panties that match in my size. So I'm just happy about that. So can you imagine now my luck when I got the same bra size and in another color? I'm so excited. If they get black, I'm probably gonna buy a black one because I really need bras. And by the way, the best thing is that this bra comes with a J hook. It's called a J hook because you can hook the straps up together like this. So this is a back. You can hook it for it to turn into a racer back. Like, can you imagine? So when you're wearing your racer back vests and tops, it just changes and automatically racer back, so your straps get hidden if you're wearing a halter neck top, and voila, you have yourself hidden bra straps, which is so nice because I hate when bra straps show and stuff like that. Oh, so annoying. So I really love this bra, you guys. I love it so much. Like, I'm gonna buy another one if I find another one in this design and color, like, because I'm that kind of person. When something fits, I want it in all colors. To do with like a few tips on what to do with bra shopping. For example, myself, when I go bra shopping, I make sure like to try and get the proper cup size. So for me, actually, I'm gonna take this off and then show you. Like, I prefer to have, I usually test by like bending over when I try on the bra, when I'm wearing the bra. I bend over and like kind of shake my shoulders just to see if my boobs are gonna pour out, because sometimes that's one given that the bra doesn't fit. You know, when you bend down and you come back up, the bra like kind of cuts you, so you kind of look like you have 4 boobs instead of 2. So, which is something that I really hate. And then I also like make sure that I like wearing like a fuller cup, so full coverage bra, so just so that everything is held and supported well. And then also make sure that the bra comes between, see where your arm is and where your elbow is. Your boobs should be somewhere in between your arm and elbow. That's what I was told, the tip, that's one of the tips I was given. And then something else is that when the bra fits well, the bra shouldn't ride up your back. So it should be able to sit parallel to your boobs. If I'm making any sense, I hope I'm giving you the right terminology, but it should be able to sit parallel to your chest, so that that's exactly where the support should be anyway, not riding up your back and then you find the bra is here and your boobs are like way down there. They have a wide range of designs, like so many. They have like the lacy type bras, the small sexy bras. They even have sexy like lingerie if you're looking for some sexy time. If you're about to have sexy time or whatever. Anyway, yeah, so they have really nice bras, but I realized over like the years I prefer my bras looking simple. So for me, having this pink one is ultra sexy for me, like, because I haven't really found my size, so I used to have to settle for boring ones. But I'm really happy that now that I know my size, I'd probably go back and get sexier bras, like more lace and like different colors and like see-through and stuff like that, and like underwear and gowns. What? It's really exciting because I know I'm definitely gonna go back and buy bras. And then I know most of you have been asking me as well about how much the bras cost. Now, the bras are quite pricey. Like, let me just give you a not even a backstory, but the thing is, for larger, fuller busts, the bras will always be more expensive because they're hard to find. I'm sure they're harder to make because you need more fabric or more wire or whatever. But I found that everywhere I've gone to look for bras for fuller busts, they are always more pricier than regular size bras. They're always more pricier. So, for Double D's, their pricing is between, for the bras that is, the pricing is between, I saw 4,000 shillings and 7,000 shillings, obviously depending on what you want, because they also carry bralettes. They carry different design bras and everything, so depending on the design and the cut and everything, so the prices usually range, I think, from 4,000 to 7,000 shillings. They also have really nice strapless bras, which I'm really looking to invest in. And for me, I think if you have a fuller bust and you're really looking for supportive bras, by the way, just please check them out. They're so helpful. And the best thing is that their follow-up, like customer service after you buy bras, is fantastic. They send you an email, they tell you, thank you for coming, this is your bra size and reference, like this is how your bra size is. So if you're looking for bras, this is your size as at now, as at the date you came and tried and got fitted. And yeah, so it's really nice. I love their service. They're so sweet. Like, guys, I love them. And if you want to know where they're located, they're on 44 Riverside Drive. So if you're coming from where the Java at Kilaleshwa used to be, you go up the hill as if you're going to Chiromo, but instead of turning right to go to Chiromo, turn left and then just go straight. I think it's opposite the building that has this coffee shop, Lingerie. Yeah, I think it's somewhere there, but it's a really nice store. Very simple, and they know their stuff. Like, everyone knows their stuff. And the best thing is that when you buy your bra, they even tell you how to take care of it, how to clean it, how to store it. For example, I was told if I want my bra cups to keep like the shape, I shouldn't like scrunch them up or put them in like a drawer or something. Make sure they stay hanging. So if it hangs like that on a hanger, or at most like fold one cup into the other, but I think I'd prefer to keep them both open. And then they tell you not to use like harsh detergents. Don't use hot water to wash your bra. Use cold water, and they prefer you to use like more mild detergent. Try a bar soap, like a regular bar soap. And I like using bar soap personally to wash my underwear, I'm not gonna lie, because it's easier and I feel like it's less harsh. And I mean, but obviously if you want like the deep clean, especially for your underwear, your panties, I mean, you can soak them in like detergent. But for bras, I don't mind using just bar soap to have them washed. Plus, if it makes it last longer and look better over a period of time, why not, right? So yeah. So I'm just gonna give you like a bit of the pros and cons. I have so many pros because the customer service is fantastic, the range of bras is fantastic, the pricing, not the pricing, but the designs and the quality and the free fitting is such a good thing. And for me, I guess the only con, which would be a con for some people, is that the bras are slightly more pricey, but I feel like for the quality you get, I think it's worth it. So that's all I'm gonna say. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on a review of the Double D's KE bras, and please let me know if you guys go buy the bras. Tell them I referred you, just so you can have some reference point. But yeah, if you check them out, please let me know. If you want me to film more videos like this, please let me know. Would love to know so I can help you guys. I wish you guys a fantastic day, night, afternoon, evening, or morning. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.